The interesting thing about humans is that we have a natural affinity for nature. A wonderful argument that I've heard as well is that we are nature. Studies have shown that even a simple walk in the park can help to clear your mind and reduce anxiety. Science has explored the relationship between nature and stress relief. And it is believed that this effect is linked to our evolutionary history. Spending time in nature, spending time with you, has calming effects on the body and can reduce stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. Your environment also plays an important role in how you respond to stress. Research has shown that when our environment is filled with green spaces, plants, and trees, we experience a greater sense of well-being than when our environment is more urbanized. Being surrounded by nature can help our brains switch off from mental stress and become quietly calm, even in the midst of everything going on. By stepping away from your daily routine and connecting with nature, you can reset your stress response. One way to do this practice is through the Japanese practice or the Japanese art of Shinrin Yoku, otherwise known as forest bathing. To forest bathe, simply choose a quiet natural area in nature and spend about 30 minutes without any electronic device or any diversions. Take time to appreciate the sights and sounds, the smells, and the energy all around. Letting your stress melt away, releasing the stagnancy out of your day. So if you're struggling with any stress, if you're feeling like you can't rest, take time to connect, to provide some relief. It can give you a sense or a feeling of well-being to allow your vibe to be even more freeing.